Okay, so now we're going to work the pec minor, short head bicep tendon. The shoulder on the right side has a little bit of tendency of rolling in. So this is a really great shoulder adjustment. We get the range of motion back in the shoulder. And I'm going to have you cross over here, turn your head this direction. I'm going to reach across, lift up. I'm going to tuck my hand right underneath in between the scapula and also the spine. I'm going to go right into the armpit. I'm going to roll just like that right there. Good. Okay, and relax. Good. Just like that. And then you always adjust C5. C5, you have the musculocutaneous nerve runs right in that area. There you go, just like that. Stretch. Perfect. Okay. Good.